We've been focusing exclusively on online discussion forums in this class, with the idea that this would be for a fully online course. But that's not the only way to use them. Some instructors will take their class discussions online when adjusting for hybrid and use class time for presentations and activities. Sometimes they're used to supplement a canceled class session or to give students a space for peer review. Online discussion forums are as versatile as you need them to be. The big challenge is that when students are meeting face to face, the online discussion forum can very easily feel perfunctory. There's a phrase that strikes us all to our core: two four-letter words that combine into one four-letter word: busy work. Regardless of format, it's important to make sure that students understand the value of the work they're putting into your course. Earlier, we briefly talked about this as a larger problem in academia, but I want to expand that a bit here. As instructors and course developers, we see the importance of our assignments, but our students don't have the same context. This is especially true if your class is a core requirement that students often may not want to take. I was far more engaged with my literature courses, the focus of my degree, than with any of the science courses that I took because I had to, not because I wanted to. That's not to downplay their importance, and looking back now, I can say with absolute certainty that the science courses I took made me a better, more prepared person in every way, and I would apologize to all of my old teachers if I could. But at the time, I absolutely considered them busy work. Our charge as instructors then is to actually communicate the value students will get from our assignments. We know the connections that they don't have the perspective to grasp just yet, so let's tell them. Make the point of the discussions clear. Tell students what to expect and what they'll get from doing them. Use all the strategies you've learned so far to make those discussions have meaning, and you can have really great results. Online discussions in face-to-face and hybrid courses start at a disadvantage, so know what to expect and be prepared to push past those into some really excellent learning opportunities.